Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, YouTuber. Okay, doing well and great this day. Today, I'm gonna uh, talking about a little bit tips and tricks about the hair clip. As you can see right now, I'm holding a hair clip. Okay, now this hair clip is got to do with the wallet. Okay, I'm gonna transform this hair clip to the cutting tool, everyday carry EDC, um, for cutting sheet of paper. Okay, okay, sheet of paper like this with the help of the tools that I've been found like this. Now this is called in Indonesia, which is an ulakan. Okay, now with this ulakan, I'm gonna transform this hair clip into everyday carry that can be stored in the wallet. Okay, this is my first video, and my second video will be continue with the function of the hair clip transforming to EDC, everyday carry. Thank you very much. Remember, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.